Hi, I'm Hazel, Product Manager for BG Electrical, part of the Luceco Group. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Evolve range of switches and sockets, which combines all the latest product innovations with on-trend interior designs, colours and finishes. Our Evolve range of switches and sockets are aimed at those looking for stylish and practical power solutions that complement the interior design and colour schemes of their homes. The Evolve range includes all of the latest BG innovations, including a 30-watt USB power socket which features both USB-A and USB-C fast charge ports, capable of charging devices up to 70% faster than regular 5-volt USB ports, offering the perfect charging solution for tablets and small laptops. The BG Wi-Fi extender socket to extend your Wi-Fi signal and improve coverage throughout your home and outdoor living space without the need for bulky plug-in boosters. Our new touch and push dimmers feature trailing edge technology for greater compatibility with LED lighting. This eliminates noise and flicker, and these dimmers also have overload protection for peace of mind and a soft start which will extend the life of your bulbs. The wide rocker switches in this range have a large touch point for ease of operation, which not only look great, but offer a practical solution for those with dexterity issues, as well as all the standard fixtures and fittings you'd expect to see in a decorative range for commercial and domestic use. All standard wiring accessories in this range come with a 25-year guarantee, and all USB and Wi-Fi sockets come with a 10-year guarantee. The Evolve range is designed to retrofit existing backboxes and features colour-coded terminals with captive screws to make installation straightforward and simple. The device base can be installed first, making these ideal for installers who want to do all the preliminary wiring and then apply the covers after decorating. This makes it easy for covers to be clipped on and off when redecorating in the future, preventing paint spills and scratches from ruining the look of your accessories. Our screwless design makes swapping and changing covers easy, with a low-profile minimalist appearance. The Evolve range is available in a wide variety of decorative finishes, designed to either stand out or blend in depending on what look you're trying to achieve, and includes pearlescent white, brushed steel, matte grey, matte black, matte blue, polished copper, satin brass and black chrome. The Evolve range adds a new breadth of choice within our decorative product offering. But inside these accessories is the same trusted, reliable technology you would find in our Nexus metal range. So you can expect the same high quality, standards and reliability that you're used to with all products carrying the Astor Diamond mark. A globally recognised symbol of safety for products that conduct and manage electricity. The Evolve range also includes Euromodule plates, which provides greater opportunity for range expansion, and bespoke configurations with single, double and quad plates available in all finishes. If you like the look of this range, tap the like button and check out more at bg-evolve.uk. Tell us what your favourite finish is in the comments below, and also let us know what finishes you'd like to see added to the range in the future. You can stay up to date with our latest products and innovations by subscribing, and until next time, thank you and goodbye.